Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the easiest ways you can make $100 a day in 2025. Let's get started. I'm not kidding guys, $100 every single day. That's like $3,000 a month or $36,500 a year. Think about what you could do with an extra $36,500. That's a new car, a down payment on a house, an insane vacation, or just a whole lot less stress about bills. And I'm telling you, in 2025, it's going to be more achievable than ever before. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Is it really that easy? Making $100 a day sounds like a lot of work, or maybe it's some kind of scam. And I get it, there's a lot of noise out there. But today, I'm cutting through all of that. We're not talking about impossible get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about real, actionable strategies that ordinary people just like you can use to hit that magic $100 a day mark. I've done the research, I've looked into these methods, and I'm bringing you the absolute best and most straightforward options. So, if you're ready to change your financial future, if you're tired of just getting by, and if you want to learn how to genuinely earn a solid extra income stream, then you need to watch this entire video. I'm going to break down 5 incredible methods step by step. We're going to make this super simple, super clear, and super exciting. Get your notebooks ready, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump right into making some serious money. Alright, kicking things off with our first method. Online freelancing. This is an absolute game changer. Seriously, the world of online freelancing has exploded in the last few years, and it's only getting bigger. Think about it. Businesses all over the globe, big and small, are constantly looking for people with specific skills. And the best part, they don't always need to hire someone full-time. They need projects done, tasks completed, and they're willing to pay good money for it. This is where you come in. You could be writing articles, designing logos, managing social media, doing data entry, video editing, voiceovers, literally anything you have a skill in. Getting started is unbelievably easy. You could be set up and looking for your first gig in legit like an hour. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, these sites are gold mines. You create a profile, showcase what you can do, even if you think it's a small skill, trust me, someone needs it. And start bidding on projects or listing your services. You don't need a fancy degree, you don't need years of experience for many of these roles. You just need to be willing to learn, put yourself out there, and deliver good work. Imagine making $20, $50, or even $100 for a single project you do from your laptop, in your pajamas. That's the power of freelancing. And don't think you're too late to the party. Oh no, the demand is constantly growing. As more businesses move online, the need for freelancers in every imaginable niche is skyrocketing. You can start small, maybe take on a few gigs in the evenings or on weekends, build up your portfolio, get some good reviews, and before you know it, you can be commanding higher rates and picking and choosing the projects you want to work on. This isn't just about making $100 a day, this is about building a potentially full-time income on your terms. It's freedom, it's flexibility, and it's waiting for you to grab it. Next up, let's talk about something that requires a skill most of us use every single day. Talking. I'm serious. Remote customer service jobs are booming, and they are one of the most accessible ways to make consistent money online. Think about how many companies you interact with, retail, tech, services, they all need customer support. And guess what? More and more of them are realizing they don't need giant call centers anymore. They can hire people to work from anywhere, as long as you have a decent internet connection and a headset. This is huge. The flexibility here is absolutely insane. Many of these companies offer part-time shifts, evening hours, weekend work. You can often build a schedule that fits around your life, not the other way around. Got kids? No problem. Work while they're at school or asleep. A student? Squeeze in some hours between classes, already have a job? This can be the perfect side hustle to stack that extra cash. We're talking about helping people solve problems, answer questions, and provide information, all while you're chilling in your comfiest chair. No commute, no office politics, just you, your computer, and a steady paycheck. And the barrier to entry? Super low. Of course, good communication skills are key, and being a little patient helps. But most companies provide all the training you need on their specific products or services. You don't need a specialized degree. If you can be friendly, helpful, and learn new things, you're pretty much qualified. We're seeing tons of these jobs pop up on major job boards, and even directly on company career pages. Imagine just a few hours a day of helping people out, and you're hitting that $100 target. It's consistent, it's reliable, and it's incredibly convenient. Don't sleep on this one. Okay, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something with huge potential, but also something you need to be careful with. Cryptocurrency investing. Now, I know crypto can sound intimidating, like some kind of digital wizardry, but hear me out. The potential to make significant money, even $100 a day or more, is definitely there. We've all heard the stories of people who bought Bitcoin or Ethereum early and made fortunes, and while those crazy initial pumps might be rarer, the crypto market is still young, evolving, and full of opportunities for smart investors. New coins, new projects, new technologies are launching all the time. However, and this is a big however, listen up, this is not a get-rich-quick guaranteed scheme. The crypto market is volatile. That means prices can go up fast, but they can also come down just as quickly. So the number one rule, the golden rule of crypto investing is, do your own research. I cannot stress this enough. Don't just throw your money at a coin because someone on the internet hyped it up. Understand the project behind the coin, what problem it solves, who the team is, and what its long-term potential looks like. Only invest what you can truly afford to lose. Seriously, don't go betting your rent money on Dogecoin hoping it'll moon overnight. But if you're willing to learn, to be patient, and to approach it with a strategy, crypto can be an incredible way to grow your wealth. You can start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many exchanges let you buy fractions of coins. Maybe you start by investing a small, consistent amount each week or month, dollar cost averaging. You can explore staking, where you earn rewards for holding certain cryptos, or look into promising new projects. The key is education and risk management. If you play it smart, research diligently, and understand the risks. Making $100 a day from crypto investments in 2025 is absolutely within the realm of possibility, especially as the market matures. This next one is for all you creative people out there, or even if you just have specific knowledge to share. Selling digital products. This is an amazing way to make money because you do the work once, and you can potentially sell that product over and over and over again, making passive income. Think about it, you create a valuable digital item, put it online, and people can buy it 24/7, even while you're sleeping or on vacation. That's the dream, right? And it's more achievable than you think. This is like planting a money tree that just keeps growing. So, what kind of digital products am I talking about? The possibilities are endless. Are you good at graphic design, sell templates, stock photos, or fonts? Know a lot about a specific topic like fitness, cooking, or marketing? Create an ebook or an online course. Are you a musician? Sell your beats or sample packs. Planners, printables, software tools, website themes. If you can create it digitally and it provides value to someone, you can sell it. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own website make it super easy to list and sell your digital creations to a global audience. The beauty of this is the scalability. Once your product is created and listed, there's often very little ongoing work required per sale, other than some marketing. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or manufacturing costs like with physical products. Your profit margins can be incredibly high. Imagine selling a $20 ebook. If you sell just 5 of those a day, boom, that's your $100. And if it's a really popular product, you could be selling dozens or even hundreds a day. It takes effort up front to create something high quality, but the potential for long-term passive income is absolutely massive. Start thinking about what knowledge or skills you have that you can package into a digital product. Our final method for crushing that $100 a day goal in 2025 is affiliate marketing. If you've ever wanted to make money by recommending products or services you already love and use, then this is for you. It's like being a super-powered word-of-mouth marketer and getting paid for it. Companies big and small are desperate for more customers, and they're willing to pay you a commission for every sale you send their way. You don't need to create your own product, you don't need to handle customer service, you just need to connect people with things they might want or need. How cool is that? Getting started is surprisingly straightforward. You find products or services you genuinely believe in that have an affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a huge one, but tons of companies have their own. You sign up, get a unique affiliate link, and then you share that link. You could share it on your blog, your social media, in YouTube video descriptions, hint hint, in email newsletters, or even just with friends and family if it's relevant. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, cha-ching, you earn a commission. It's like having a silent sales team working for you around the clock. The key to success with affiliate marketing is building trust and providing genuine value. Don't just spam your links everywhere. Recommend products you actually use and like. Explain why you recommend them. Create helpful content around those products. For example, if you're into tech, you could review gadgets and include affiliate links. If you love cooking, share recipes and link to the kitchen tools you use. Once you build an audience that trusts your recommendations, you can start seeing consistent affiliate income. Making $100 a day might mean a few sales of high-ticket items or many sales of lower-priced ones, but it's totally doable with persistence and a smart strategy. Passive income, here we come. And there you have it, 5 of the easiest ways to make $100 a day in 2025. We covered online freelancing, remote customer service, crypto investing, the smart way, selling digital products, and affiliate marketing. I genuinely believe that with a bit of effort and dedication, anyone watching this video can pick one or even a couple of these methods and start seeing real results. That $100 a day, that $36,500 a year, is not just a dream, it's a target you can hit. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so pick what resonates with you and just start. The most important thing is to take action. Don't just watch this video and then go back to scrolling. Choose a path, do a little more research, and commit to trying it out. There will be a learning curve, there might be some trial and error, but that's all part of the process. The financial freedom and flexibility that comes with earning extra income like this is absolutely worth it. Imagine what your life could look like next year if you start today. It's powerful stuff, people. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money in 2025. See you in the next video. Let me know in the comments which of these methods you're most excited to try, or if you have other great ideas for making $100 a day. Let's build a community of earners right here. Now go out there and make that money. You absolutely deserve it.